So here, as we have already seen in the last lecture, we had taken these two particular list, and now let me remove one list, right? And this list contains three data items: apple, banana and cherry. And what I can do is I can directly print like this, or I can print like this also. I can print like this also, right? So here we can see that same list is available. Fine. Now let me insert this one, and what I can do is I can use index also. Means if I am printing 0, then it will print apple. If I print 1, then it will print banana. If I print 2, then it will print cherry. So from this, what you have to learn is the index of the first data item is 0, second data item is 1, and third data item is 2. Now if I print 3, then we can see the list out of index. 3 data items are there, but index varies from 0 to 2. The index value is always less than the total number of items, because index starts from 0. So if I specify 2, then it will give the answer, that is cherry. This is how we can use index to access individual items from the list. Now let us have a other list, say my underscore list, and I am creating a list. I can have a say integer number, I can have a character, then I can have a string, hello, then I can have then 4.5. Fine. So in this particular my underscore list, I have 4 data items. One is integer, and here single character C, then I have a hello string, then a floating point value 4.5. Now I want to print this list. So I will have a print statement, print my underscore list, and we can see that we have values of 3 different data types, that is 5 is integer, this C and hello are string data type, and this is a floating point. So list can contain any data type values within the list, and this is how we can print the list directly. Now similar to string, I can use index, I can use, right, similar to this one, I can directly use over here subscript. Say for example 0 means it will print 5. Now if I change to 1, then it will print C. If I change this to 2, then it will print hello, and if I change this index to 3, then it will print 4.5. Now let us see how to determine the type of a variable, my list. So here we can directly take this particular print statement, that is a type statement over here, right, and we will directly modify that particular statement. So just to save the time, type of my underscore list variable is, here I have to specify the name of the list. So it will give, see, the type of my list variable is class list. This will print class list. So this is how we can determine type of a list. Next is a tuple variable. So we can create a tuple variable by specifying all the data items between this parenthesis, that is round parenthesis. Fine. So here we have created one tuple with 5 values, with the 5 values are 2, 3.5, -8, 15 and 102. Now I want to print this tuple, so let us print over here using a print command, and here directly, so we can see that all the 5 values of a tuple are printed directly. Fine. Now similar to list, what I can do, I can use subscript to access this value. So if I take number underscore tuple 0, then it will print 2. See, 2 is printed. If I change this to 1, so now it is 3.5. If I do 2, then it will print -2, and if I have a 4, then it is the last element, because 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So index of 102 is 4. So if I specify like this, then it is 102. So we can use indexing to access individual elements of a tuple variable similar to list variable. We can also perform operations on this particular variable. Say for example, I want to perform operation on this element, I can have like this, right? Then we can see that addition of number 1, that is 3.5, and 102 is nothing but 105.5. So this way we can use the tuple individual values to perform operations, or we can access individual values using this index, and we can perform arithmetic operations like this. Now let us check the type of this tuple. So let us take this particular statement directly over here, and let us take this variable name over here. Okay, and now let us, so here it will print the type of number underscore tuple variable is this. So we can see that the type is tuple. Thank you very much.